Konti. Basta kayo guys. Good evening to all of you. Guys, kailangan ko po ng 50 subscribers. Can you help me do that one, guys? 22 na eh. Para makapag-live streaming tayo. Ito. I saw an old friend of ours today. She asked about you. I didn't quite know what to say. Heard you've been making the rounds round here while I've been trying to make tears disappear. Now I've almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. You're such a sly one with your cold, cold heart. Maybe living came easy, but it tore me apart. Time heals all wounds, they say, and I should know, 'cause it means like forever, but I'm letting you go. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around after painting the town, you'll see I'm almost over you. I can forgive you, and soon I'll forget all my shattered dreams. Although you left me with nothing to show, full of misery. Now I'm almost